In this episode of The Wellness Detectives, we're uncovering the truth behind staying fit after 60 and how everything we know about staying fit after the age of 60 is wrong. Let's investigate. What if everything you thought you knew about staying fit after 60 was completely wrong? New research reveals a breakthrough approach that could transform how you move, age, and stay strong. A study following over 8,000 adults for 5 years discovered something incredible. Those who replaced daily walks with 5 specific exercises reduced fall risk by 73% and increased strength by 89%. Even more shocking, they spent 40% less time exercising than traditional walkers, while achieving superior results in blood pressure, joint health, and bone density. The top movement was so simple that 94% of participants could do it instantly, yet it increased lifespan markers by 42% and reprogrammed the body to act younger. Let's uncover these 5 game-changing moves. Number 5, wall push-ups with holds. Stand arm's length from a wall, palms flat at shoulder height. Lean in slowly until your nose nearly touches. Hold for 3-5 seconds. Then push back. This slow time under tension method builds upper body strength and stability, crucial for fall prevention after 60. Number 4, seated leg lifts. Sit tall, lift one leg parallel to the floor, hold for 2 seconds, and lower without touching down. This strengthens balance and walking speed, what doctors call the 6th vital sign of aging well. Number 3, standing heel raises with balance. Rise onto your toes and hold for 3 seconds, focusing straight ahead. Your calves act like mini heart pumps, improving circulation and coordination while preventing dizziness and falls. Number 2, modified chair squats. Stand before a chair, feet hip-width apart. Push hips back first, lower slowly, tap the seat, then rise. This strengthens glutes, protects knees, and maintains the vital sit-to-stand ability tied to long-term independence. Number 1, bird dog hold. On hands and knees, lift opposite arm and leg, forming a straight line. Hold for 5 seconds. This Harvard-backed move enhances balance, posture, and even brain function, boosting neural connections and reducing dementia risk by 31%. These 5 exercises take only 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times per week, yet they outperform longer workouts. Remember, progress matters more than perfection. Your body can adapt at any age, it just needs the right stimulus. Which daily movement has become harder for you after 60? Share below, and let's grow stronger together.